States across the country have seen an uptick in large protests in recent months. Demonstrators have swarmed airports and downtown streets protesting the policies of President Trump. Many lawmakers, especially Republicans, have expressed concern about the tactics, and they say stiffer punishments are necessary to deter illegal behavior. In North Dakota, 4 recently enacted laws expand the criminal trespass statute, making it illegal to wear a mask or a hood while committing a crime, increase the penalties for riot offenses, and make it easier for the state to bring in law enforcement from elsewhere to help in times of protest.
You gotta wake up. What they're doing to us at Standing Rock is the model. That's the model of suppressing civil disobedience.
Now, in all these places, the lawmakers supporting these measures say that protesting itself is fine. It's protected by the First Amendment, and it can be done in a legal, orderly, safe way. But they say that there's a line that's been crossed. The question in all this is, what's the right balance between free speech and public safety? While the bills may purport to advance public safety, these opponents say, they actually may give police too much leeway to quash dissent and free speech. But police, on the other hand, say they've faced an unprecedented wave of demonstrations, and sometimes without permits and without safe direction following and without leaders. And they need tougher legislation to ensure an orderly process and to ensure their own safety.